Welcome to the Simple Maths, where we break down complex concept into easy steps. I am Sachin and let's get into it. Start. So expression is 8 divided by 2 upon 7 multiplied by 7. So 7 into 2 divided by 7 multiplied by 7. So 7 goes to divided, then 8 divided by 2 multiplied by 1. So 8 divided by 2 multiplied by 1 is 2, and 2 divided 8 divided by 2 is answer is 4. But this answer is not correct, this expression. So I will show you correct answer this expression. So first we this expression solve the PEMDAS rule. PEMDAS rule and board mass rule. PEMDAS parenthesis exponent multiplication division addition and subtraction same as well as board mass. B means brackets operations and division, multiplication, addition and subtraction. So we will be not parenthesis, not bracket this expression, exponents not given this expression. So multiply and divided this expression given this expression. So first will be solve this 8 divided by 2 upon 7. This solve, so this solve be KCF rule, keep change flip. So keep 8 divided by change to multiply sign, and this is flip to 7 upon 2, and last is into 7. So first will be divided 2 1s are 2, 2 4s are 8, and 4 into 7 multiply by 7. So 4 7s are 28 into 7, and 28 into 7 is equal to 7 8s are 56, 6 5 and 7 2s are 14, 14 plus 5 is 19 is final answer 196. This expression final answer is 196.